Welcome, today I've heard of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here to the sound section. Here you'll set the ringtone volume panel, and now just to change your device ringtone you should swipe this blue dot to the left or to the right side with your finger just to change the volume of the ringtone. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just first be sure that here in volume button control you have selected the ringtone, not the media one. And after that, just by press up or down volume button, here you can see on the first or the second volume panel that we just can change the ringtone volume of our device. And also we can do it by the third way, just manually with our finger by swipe up or down this volume panel by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.